Hey everyone, Dave Cook with DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper, and we are hanging this Haig in West. I don't have the pattern number here in front of me, but this is what we're doing. It's actually for a conference room. I'm trying to pretty cool. It's a work share space in Park Ridge called Blue Collar. So if you're in or if you're in Park Ridge, make sure you stop by and check it out. If you need a shared office space, you definitely gotta check this place out. It's pretty cool. Kitchenette and little mini bars and all kinds of workspaces. But anyway, so this is a paper product that we put up. This was really tricky to figure out the pattern in this one and get it completely straight because it's hand printed, so there's a little bit of a variation in it, but otherwise it went really good. The only thing that I would do different next time is the primer that was put up was a white. I'd make sure I did it this really dark green so some of the seams didn't show through. We booked it, but it still kind of shrunk afterwards, so we kind of had to go back in a couple places and hit it with a colored pencil just to kind of color it in. Otherwise, we didn't really have any problems with it. It was a little tricky around the cabinets because it is paper, so it wanted to tear pretty easy. And we had to actually get it wet after we let it book. It was really dry in here while we were working, so the paper dried out really fast, so we had to add some water to it to make sure it laid down nice and flat. Otherwise, nice paper to work with. Color didn't come off. Seamed up really, really well, so really impressed with it. Customers love it. So there's Haig and West paper. Any questions about their wallpaper installation? Give us a call at DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.